In this video, Oliver Huntemann gives me his tips on how to prepare for a gig. Let's dive in. Hey, it's Graham from Data Transmission, and today on the Big Question series, I welcome Oliver Huntemann. For those that don't know, Oliver's had a career that spanned the last 25 years. His Senso label celebrates 5 years this year, and Oliver, like us, has created a platform to showcase younger talent and help them get further in this industry. So it's perfect for our Big Question series. I'm Graham Farmer. I run the website Data Transmission, and Data Transmission is an online music platform. We try and help DJs get further and faster in this music industry, and kind of give you all the tips of after you've made a record, how to get it out there, how to get gigs, how to use social media, how to use Spotify, how to use SoundCloud. And we do them all on our YouTube channel. If you like this content, please subscribe to the channel, comment below. It really means the world to us. It helps us grow this channel, and we'd love to hear what you think of these videos. Similarly, if you think they're rubbish, then please let us know, and I'm continuously working on to make them better and better. Let's dive into this big question. Hi Oliver, what are your tips for preparing?
Hi Graham, this is Oliver Huntemann. Thanks for having me on Data Transmission. And about your big question, how to prepare a DJ set, I would say, I can only say talk about my experience, as I started with vinyl, of course, and I was traveling for such a long time, always with this box, the record case, and with this there was a limitation with a choice of records. So every weekend or every week I went to the record store. It was usually on Thursdays or Fridays in the afternoon before the gig started, and was buying some new stuff, and so I had to take out of the box some records and putting the new ones inside, and so I have my own philosophy of moods and tempo, how I organize it in my box. And I did exactly the same when I swapped over the record box, so my physical record box, into the digital form. And I still work like this. I have my main box, and it's a limited amount of tracks. I don't know the amount, it might be 120 or something like this. And I always work with this amount, not exactly some, but every week, Wednesday, Thursday, I do my shopping online, and then I'm organizing my stuff immediately after, so put the new stuff in, and the old stuff I don't need out. And I have, in addition to this, some record boxes, some playlists like classics or my own stuff or from Senso Sounds. But usually I work in 90% of the time with my main box, and this is enough to play 5, 6, 7 hour sets.
And Oliver's got his own question for you guys today. Oliver, what's your question of the day today?
Yes, and I also have a question of the day to you guys and girls. So how are you going to prepare for the night when you go out at the weekend? So I remember when I was a young boy and I went out, I wanted to go out, I was very nervous. I didn't know what to wear. I didn't know when going out, what to do before. I would like to know what you are going to do and how you feel like.
Thanks again for joining us on The Big Question. I've been Graham Farmer. I'll see you again next time. Cheers.